Hello everyone, my name is Noelle Henry and this is my intro video for treating trauma. I just finished my first year field placement at a foster care agency in Pennsylvania, and my current place of employment is as a clinician in an emotional support classroom in a elementary school in Newark, Delaware. Today was actually our first day back to school, so it was bittersweet because it was an official notification that summer is over. What I hope to get out of this course is just to gain a better sense of knowledge and tools to put in my toolbox about helping my students who have been indirectly and directly affected by trauma. I will say that every one of them in my classroom last year and this year have experienced trauma in one way or another. So I want to be able to better help them and their parents and or caregivers. Studying trauma is relevant to my future career because I hope to finish this program with my MSW within the next year, and then to go on to become an LCSW. And I know that trauma is prevalent in everyone's life in some way, shape, or form. And so I know that me having a good knowledge base will only make me a more effective social worker in the future. 3 ways that I will take care of myself this semester is through, I love to read. I love the actual book, not on a tablet or a Nook. Even though I have both a Nook and a Kindle, I prefer to read a hand-in book. Another way that I'm going to do self-care is I love to shop. I recently had to modify how often I shop and put myself on a little budget. And so now I take cash instead of a debit card or credit cards, because once the cash is gone, then I can no longer shop. Now I have to just window shop. And I do not like window shopping as much as I like actual shopping. And then finally, to spend time with my friends and family. Me and my boyfriend, we love to get out and do things. Recently, 2 weeks ago, we went to the Eagles open practice at the Lincoln Financial Field Center. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. I'm not a football person. He is, but he enjoyed it, and I was able to experience Philly fans, which they are infamous. And I spent time with my mom and my dad and my brothers and my nieces. And my best friend. We like to go out and hang out and just do whatever fun thing we can find to do. So that's how I'll do self-care. Hi everyone. I wish everyone well through this course of treating trauma, and I look forward to viewing your videos as well. Bye bye.